Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a rich chocolatey chocolate cake. To make this chocolate cake, I've taken a 9-inch round cake pan. If you don't have a round tin, you can use any tin of your choice. Line the tin with butter paper or parchment paper. Add a little bit of oil or butter and then spread it nice and well so that when you take the cake out of the pan, it comes out without sticking to the pan. Also preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Next, we're going to make some buttermilk for this cake. If you have ready-made buttermilk, you can use that. Otherwise, you can make your own. To make your own buttermilk, take 3/4 cup of milk. And to this add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it lightly and then set aside for 5 minutes and your buttermilk will be ready. Then take the chocolate chips that we are using for this recipe. Add a little bit of all-purpose flour or maida. Add about half a teaspoon of maida to this chocolate chips and mix it nicely, so that when you're baking the cake, these chocolate chips don't sink to the bottom of the cake, but it will be well dispersed throughout the cake. Next, we'll start to prepare the batter. For this, take a large bowl and add about half a cup of melted butter. To this, add 1.5 cups of sugar. I am using powdered sugar. Beat the butter and sugar nicely for about 2 minutes till it's light and fluffy. Once you beat the butter and sugar, then add the eggs. We are using 2 eggs for this recipe. Add 1 egg at a time and beat it well. Beat each egg for about 1 minute. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature before adding it in. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Along with this, add the prepared buttermilk. Beat this in until it is well combined. Now this makes our wet ingredients. Next, we can start adding the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and then add some cocoa powder. Along with this, add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 teaspoon of coffee powder. I am using Nescafe instant coffee powder. Adding this coffee powder enhances the flavor of the chocolate cake. If you don't want to add it, you can leave it out. Now sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl and then start mixing the batter gently. Don't overbeat the batter, just mix until it all comes together and makes a smooth lump-free chocolate batter. At this point, add the prepared chocolate chips. I forgot to add the chocolate chips at this point. So the chocolate batter is ready. Take the prepared cake tin and pour the chocolate batter into the cake tin. Since I forgot to add the chocolate chips at that point, I added it here. Mix the chocolate chips into the cake batter. Tap the pan lightly on the counter so that you remove all air bubbles and the chocolate batter is well spread. Now put the cake pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 60 minutes. Each oven is different. My oven took about 60 minutes to bake this cake. Put a skewer or a knife inside the cake and if it comes out clean, then your cake is done. If not, then bake for a little longer. My cake took 60 minutes to bake. Once done, cool completely before removing it from the tin. I use this cake to make my Mother's Day cake. If you want to see this Mother's Day cake frosting, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check that out. This cake is a very rich and chocolatey cake. It's almost like a brownie. Usually when I bake this cake, I don't frost it because it's really delicious to eat the cake by itself without any frosting. This time I decided to frost it for Mother's Day. It's such a rich and chocolatey cake. You can see how rich, chocolatey and fudgy this cake is. It's also very moist because of the buttermilk we added. You can use this cake under fondant also. It holds very well. This is one of my most favorite chocolate cakes. It's very simple. The recipe is very easy and very simple to make. So do try out this simple and easy chocolate cake recipe. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it. Until next time, bye-bye.